Imagine a future where taxis don't have drivers, where cars never get tired, never get lost, and never make mistakes. A future where transportation becomes as simple as tapping a button and letting artificial intelligence take you anywhere. That future isn't coming in 2050. It's arriving today. This is the Tesla Cybercab 2026. The year is 2026, and Tesla has once again done something the world thought was impossible. For decades, people imagined a world where cars would drive themselves, where transportation would become automated, efficient, and completely autonomous. But most companies only promised, delayed, or tested. No one truly delivered the dream at a scale big enough to shake the world. Until now. The Tesla Cybercab 2026 is not just another electric vehicle. It is the first mass-produced Level 5 autonomous robotaxi designed specifically to function without a steering wheel, without pedals, and without human intervention. This is not a car you buy. It's a car that works for you, moves for you, and builds an entire transportation system around you. When Tesla first teased the idea of a robotaxi years ago, many people rolled their eyes. Some called it impossible, others called it dangerous, while some believed it was just another Elon Musk marketing stunt. But Tesla kept building, kept training its neural networks, kept improving full self-driving, and above all, kept collecting billions of real-world driving miles from millions of Tesla owners around the globe. The Cybercab is the final evolution of all of that data, all of that engineering, and all of the relentless pursuit of the autonomous future. From the outside, the Cybercab 2026 doesn't look like a traditional car. It looks futuristic, geometric, and almost cyberpunk. The design is a blend of minimalism and function, built with durability and aerodynamics in mind. But beyond its sharp edges and robotic presence, the real magic lies inside, where there is no driver's seat, no steering wheel, no pedals, and no stress. The entire cabin is designed for passengers only. You don't control the Cybercab controls itself. Let's dive deep into every aspect of this groundbreaking vehicle, its design, its technology, its interior, its autonomous brain, its real-world impact, and the revolution it's about to unleash across the entire world. Car details, the foundation of the cyber future. The Cybercab 2026 is the first fully dedicated autonomous vehicle built by Tesla from the ground up. Unlike the Model 3, Model Y, or even the Cybertruck, the Cybercab wasn't created for drivers, it was created exclusively for riders. The vehicle sits on a next-generation compact EV platform, designed to be extremely efficient and affordable. Its battery pack is optimized for short to medium-range city driving, offering around 250 to 300 miles of real-world range. This is more than enough for a robotaxi that stays active all day, charging only during idle times or off-peak hours. Tesla claims the Cybercab is built to last over 1 million miles, thanks to reinforced structural components and next-generation motor durability. This longevity is critical because robotaxis are constantly on the move, picking up passengers, dropping them off, and immediately heading toward the next ride request. The entire vehicle is powered by Tesla's most advanced AI system ever created, FSD V14 Plus Neural Drive, capable of handling traffic, weather, unpredictable humans, complex roads, and dynamic environments. It uses an advanced sensor suite with cameras placed at every strategic angle, multiple ultrasonic sensors, an advanced radar system specifically optimized for autonomous vehicles, and a next-gen neural network processor capable of 20 to 30 times more compute than older Tesla chips. Everything about the Cybercab is optimized: the energy consumption, the aerodynamics, the software, and even the charging process. This vehicle is not designed to sit in someone's garage, it's designed to work non-stop. Exterior, a robotic shape with a purpose. The exterior of the Tesla Cybercab is unlike anything on the road today. Its shape is simple yet bold, futuristic yet functional. It has a smooth metallic finish, sharp angles, and a compact body ideal for maneuvering through city streets. The design philosophy behind the Cybercab is minimalism, fewer moving parts, fewer failure points, and maximum durability. The headlights are ultra-slim LED strips that give the vehicle a robotic expression. The front end is slightly slanted downward to improve visibility for the cameras and reduce drag. Instead of traditional side mirrors, the Cybercab uses embedded side cameras that provide a wider, clearer, and more accurate field of view. The rear design is just as futuristic, with a single horizontal LED light bar that communicates braking, direction, and sometimes autonomous status. Tesla added a unique visual touch. The Cybercab broadcasts certain light patterns to reassure pedestrians, showing slow pulsing lights when approaching and bright signals when stopping. This is part of Tesla's autonomous safety communication system, designed to help humans intuitively understand the car's behavior. The most interesting part of the exterior is the automated door system. The Cybercab uses sliding doors that open automatically when a passenger approaches or when the ride begins. There are sensors around the doors to prevent accidental closing or collisions, making entry safer and more accessible for all passengers, whether elderly, disabled, or carrying heavy bags. Every detail whispers, "This is not a car, it is a robot on wheels." 3. Interior, a self-driving lounge. Once you step inside the Tesla Cybercab, the future becomes undeniable. There is no steering wheel. There are no pedals. There is no dashboard. Instead, you enter what feels like a small lounge, designed for comfort, simplicity, and a peaceful ride. The seats are soft yet durable, made from Tesla's new generation eco-friendly material. They are spaced generously, so passengers don't feel cramped, even during longer rides. The Cybercab can be configured with 2 or 4 seats depending on the region, but the default configuration is a spacious 2-seat layout with a massive open area for luggage, groceries, or personal items. In front of passengers sits a giant touchscreen interface that displays ride details, route information, estimated arrival time, entertainment options, climate control, and more. You can watch movies, stream music, check your upcoming schedule, or simply enjoy the city view through the giant wraparound windows. Tesla's new, quiet cabin technology reduces noise from the outside world, creating a calm, relaxing environment. The lighting is soft, customizable, and adaptive, adjusting automatically depending on the time of day. One of the most important interior features is the AI assistant built into the car. Passengers can speak naturally. "Take me to work." "Stop at the nearest coffee shop." "Avoid traffic." "Lower the temperature." The Cybercab listens, responds, and executes seamlessly. This floating lounge on wheels is built to make transportation stress-free, efficient, and enjoyable. Comfort level, the ride experience of tomorrow. Tesla spent years refining the passenger experience. The Cybercab's suspension system adjusts automatically to create the smoothest possible ride. Whether the road is rough, wet, or uneven, the Cybercab modifies its dynamics to prevent harsh bumps. The car uses predictive driving, meaning the AI analyzes road conditions seconds before the car even arrives at them. It slows down for turns, widens its trajectory around hazards, and accelerates smoothly without jerks. For passengers, this feels like gliding across the road. The climate system is fully autonomous as well, using body heat sensors and environmental analysis to adjust temperature automatically. Passengers can override settings, but most of the time, they won't need to. Tesla also added a unique safety comfort feature. If a passenger feels uncomfortable at any moment, they can press a "Request Review" button. This logs the moment, sends data to Tesla for analysis, and helps the AI improve future rides. Comfort is not just physical, it's psychological. The Cybercab has built-in transparency features showing the passenger what the AI is seeing, detecting, and predicting in real time. This reduces anxiety and builds trust between human and machine. 5. Performance, silent but powerful. The Cybercab 2026 may be a small autonomous transport pod, but it still carries Tesla's signature performance DNA. The vehicle uses a single or dual motor setup depending on the operational region. Its acceleration is smooth, controlled, and precise, not aggressive like a Model S Plaid, but powerful enough to navigate traffic with confidence. Its top speed is electronically limited for safety, typically around 110 to 120 km per hour, but in city environments, it rarely needs to go beyond 60 km per hour. The efficiency of the motors is remarkable, minimizing energy waste and reducing operational costs. The Cybercab's braking system is regenerative, meaning most braking charges the battery instead of wasting energy. This extends the life of the brake pads significantly and allows the Robotaxi to stay on the road longer between maintenance cycles. But the most extraordinary performance feature is not physical, it's digital. The FSD AI system reacts 10 times faster than a human, processes millions of inputs per second, and can predict movements of pedestrians, animals, and vehicles with stunning accuracy. Whether it's heavy rain, complex intersections, unpredictable traffic, or nighttime driving, the Cybercab performs with a level of consistency no human driver can match. 6. Conclusion: the beginning of a new transport era. The Tesla Cybercab 2026 is more than a car. It is a system. A network. A technological revolution wrapped in aluminum and software. It represents the end of human-driven taxis, the end of wasted hours in traffic, the end of transportation inefficiency. It is a future where cars work for people, where roads become safer, and where mobility becomes accessible for everyone, regardless of age, income, or physical ability. The Cybercab is not just Tesla's achievement, it is humanity's step toward a cleaner, smarter, more automated world. A world where distance no longer feels like a barrier, where transportation becomes a service rather than a burden, and where artificial intelligence becomes our travel partner. For decades, people wondered when the future would arrive. Some expected flying cars. Some imagined teleportation. But the real future is something simpler, smarter, and far more impactful: the ability to travel anywhere, anytime, without ever having to drive. The Tesla Cybercab 2026 is that future. It is the dawn of the autonomous age. And this is just the beginning.